Got this big sycamore log. It's got some interesting spelting on it. I'd like to see what it's like inside, and it's possibly going to make up a bandsaw box. So there you go. Power of dragons. I don't think this will split all in one. Nearly. So, pretty interesting. Quite cool. Just taking off all this bark. We'll see what it's like to the planer. Flatten off some edges. Lovely. So there you go. It looks pretty cool. I think it'll turn out quite nicely. The planer couldn't quite reach that bit there. So I'm just going to draw roughly on here how I sort of think I want it to be. There it is. Okay, so there's the back that I cut off earlier. Goes on quite nicely. The one sort of problem I've got is that if you look closely at these gaps here, down here, and then this one here particularly, it's going to be very difficult to close them all up. I can close this one up down here quite easily with a very small amount of clamping force. These two, I can close one of them up by clamping downwards, but I can't easily close both of them up. So I'll see how that goes. That one at the end I can sort of close up by deforming things a bit. I'm almost tempted to put a little dowel in there as reinforcement. I might do that later if I need to. But apart from that, it's all looking quite random and okay. Glue time. Got the back here, and there's nothing wrong with it, but this bit here, as the bandsaw's come through, it sort of pulled some of the black stuff down. It's a little bit sort of stained, and so what I'm going to do, I think, is just tidy that up briefly on the disc sander, and that surface as well, so that when these two are glued together, there'll be like an almost invisible line. I mean, it's not too bad. I could get away with just sticking it on there, but you can sort of see some of it back there. So we'll have a go at disc sanding. Just have a go at disc sanding, really. So I'm just looking at this now. What I was saying earlier about the holes. I think I'm just going to use the bandsaw to take a bit more of this one here, so that then I should be able to push it close, so these two will then close up. We'll see how we go. Here it is glued up. Overall, if I was being generous, I'd probably say it was problematic. The main body of it was the main problem. Such an odd shape to glue. So we'll just have to wait and see how that holds together. The drawers actually came out quite nicely. So that's one that's been on the disc sander and been sanded off. So they're quite nice. The problem is the box itself. So I wasn't confident when I clamped it up, and then I gave it a little test when it was out and prizing it apart, and it just came apart. So now it's like, well, yeah, it's come apart totally. So I think it's going to be back to the drawing board on that one. And I'll have to find a better way of clamping it up, or not test it so vigorously next time. So possibly a different box start. So we've got some more firewood there.